Hi folks, welcome back to the channel, or if it is your first time, welcome. My name's Watto, I wander about. That's Kim, say hello Kim.
Hello Kim.
She wanders about with me. They join us in the Cornish countryside, just outside the caravan park that we're staying in. And we're going up the creek. Really quick glimpse, that is our caravans over there. One of those is ours that we're staying in. We don't own it as much as we'd like to. And this is the creek out towards the River Camel. So it's a nice evening, so we thought we'd have a very short little stroll. So we'll take you with us, give you a little glimpse of a very nice place that we're staying. The water's out at the moment, and obviously the tide does come up here. We've been sat watching fish, which we think are mullet, come up the creek every time the tide comes in. They're grubbing about literally in front of where we're staying, which is over there.
Hey, I found my heart again. You were standing there, you bravely led me in. I could wait a million years or more until you came knocking at my door.
You can see where the water comes up through these little channels, and we've sat on a couple of nights just watching the water come on up, and the fish follow it up. So hopefully by the time we get back off this little walk, we might be able to show you some of them as well.
It's hard to be this.
Don't know if you can just make it out, but ever so slowly, look, you can see the water is making its way up the creek from the main river. So hopefully on the way back it'll be up far enough for us to see some of the mullet swimming about. Certainly does look a bit muddy at the moment, doesn't it? Look at that. Wouldn't fancy a swim in it, to be honest.
We can play our favorite song.
Wow, look, it's definitely making its way in through the inlet, look. There'll be some mullet in here somewhere. They're not showing themselves just yet. But they do go right the way up to where you can see the caravans back there. Which is where we're staying. We can sit on one of them decks and watch them. You can almost fish for them off the deck. Just keep walking down now, almost at the inlet from the river. And we'll give you a look in a minute. I'm just watching to see if there's any fish. None sighted as of yet. But we'll give you a look. It's almost like a little beach here on the side of the river. It's really nice. You've got a bit of evening sun, so it might be nice to throw the bird up and have a little look. We'll see. There we are. So it opens out and you've got this little beach. Just opens out and then you can see the river. It's the River Camel. No hump jokes, please. And this is essentially the estuary. That's the main bit of the inlet. Look where it goes in and up the creek. Up that way. The main part of the river. Goes back that way. That's towards... That way is off towards Wade Bridge. And if I turn you around this way, you're out towards Rock and Padstow, and then out.
Take above us, then I just wanna be where you are. I don't wanna close my eyes, then I might miss a moment of you. And as long as the sun shines upon us, and I just wanna be where you are. 'Cause with you I feel no fear, and when you hold me all my wounds are healed. When I'm with you I feel safe. There is no pretending, no need to escape.
Well, it just shows the beauty of getting out and going and having a look at places. We were just getting some shots there, with the drone, with Midge. And very nice gentleman. Had a little wander down. He's obviously staying on the same caravan site that we are. And he's walked all the way down here and he's fascinated by what we're doing. We're taking photos and flying the drone. And we had a really, really nice chat with him. Very nice gentleman. I said I'd give him a shout out. So, Ivor, thanks for stopping and having a chat with us. Very engaging. Very nice to have a chat with somebody who's not telling you you can't fly here, you can't fly there, because I can. But yeah, so thank you very much for coming and having a chat. If you're watching, Ivor, I hope you have remembered the name of the channel. Thanks very much. Nice little chat. Enjoyed meeting you. Hope you've enjoyed the rest of your holiday. And with a bit of luck, by the time this goes out, we'd have enjoyed ours. See, the tide is turning. It's tide times give high tide at 7:30 in this area. It's currently 6:45, so with a bit of luck we won't get stranded. And you can see, or we can see, some fish there. They're all sort of schooling up. Maybe they're just waiting to go up the creek at a certain point in time. You probably won't be able to see on this camera, but they are there. We're coming back this way, and it's beautiful. I think it's an absolutely gorgeous little setting. Just hearing the sounds of birds. Obviously getting ready to nest for the night. We just have a little wander. It does go right round when the tide is at its lowest. You can walk all the way along here. Obviously you've got to be careful you don't get caught out, otherwise you have to duck yourself into one of them inlets and hope that it doesn't get you. But it is particularly nice. So as you can see, the water's flooded in the inlet now, starting to surge its way up. Did see a few mullet schooling up in the front here. They've headed up the creek. What's interesting me is the marks on those rocks there, almost like striations of some kind. Any of you knowledgeable people watching can give me any information about it, please let me know in the comments. I find it quite interesting. But the colour of the creek, it's quite sort of green here, but obviously it's mainly mud underneath, being an estuary. Kim getting yet another shot. Don't forget, check her channel out as well, Kim's Picks 59, link in the description. And that's the view from the ground up the creek. I don't know if you can see, but we're just making our way back up now, and you can see the water has flooded up this channel. There's another main channel over that way towards the back, and lots of these little channels snake their way up. And that's what we're doing now. We're making our way back up, as you can see.
Wait a million years or more until you came knocking at my door. It's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all.
Right, we found a convenient rock for Kim to stand on, in case you're wondering if she's suddenly grown. Right, we've enjoyed that little look at the creek, so now we're going to walk back up the creek and go and get our dinner. If you've liked it, don't forget, give us a nice big thumbs up. It really helps us out, and it doesn't cost you anything, it's free. Subscribe to the channel if you can, and we'll catch you next time. See you, Kim.
Bye, Paul.
Say goodbye, Kim.
Bye, Kim.
Bye, Kim.
Bye.